What's going on, guys? T Blake here, and today we're going to be talking about the rise and fall of the Balenciaga Triple S sneaker. Now, it sort of feels like it was just the other day that I did a before you buy video for the Balenciaga Triple S, and in that video I was reviewing an Essence exclusive release that actually was reselling over retail. Now, a lot has happened from the time that I posted that video. For one, there has been a myriad of new colorways and new materials that have come out. The biggest change, in my opinion, is the shift in manufacturing from Italy, which is where some of the first release pairs came from, to China. Now, not only is there definitely a difference in materials and quality, but their shift was to really meet demand and scale up production, and that, of course, cost Balenciaga and the popularity of the Triple S sneaker. Now, you might be saying, for a high fashion brand, a 2-year life cycle for a sneaker like that is pretty high, and I'd actually agree with you. But nevertheless, I was able to pick up a pair from a sale on Kicks Under Cost the other day for $238. Now, these retail about $850 to $900. I'll show you the receipt before I show you the shoes. Bergdorf Goodman Triple S, $238. So if you haven't watched my before you buy video, definitely go back and check it out. Of course, the biggest thing with these, besides how big the box is that they weigh a lot. This model uses a lot of lighter canvases on the upper, so I'll show you, so that cuts down the weight a little bit. But again, if you don't even want to watch it, just want to get the spark notes, they definitely fit about a full size big. So if you're in between sizes, I'm 11 and a half. I went down to the US equivalent of an 11. Here is the pair that I picked up. Now, I saw a lot of sales on these, 30%, 40%, but this came out to be about 70% off, and they liquidated 3 or 4 different styles. So I tweeted that out on Kicks Under Cost. If you don't have a Twitter, you can still check the site. It pushes all the tweets to the website as well. And a lot of people grabbed them, and it was a deal that was too good to pass up. So I grabbed this. I'm going to beat on these this entire summer. I actually have one of the nicer neon all leather pairs that was made in Italy up on my Grail, which I will post down below in the description. Also, I'm not 100% sure why the camera keeps snapping in and out of focus. I'll fix it for the next video, I promise. I'm just trying to get some content out to you guys. So, rise and fall of the Balenciaga Triple S. I definitely will admit that a 2-year lifespan is really kind of long for it. On the other hand, you saw the Balenciaga Trainer, which is kind of like their Asics looking runner. Those dropped 40% a lot quicker, so I'm sure Balenciaga is happy with the success of the Triple S. And at the $200 price point, it's definitely a cop. Now, there's no chance they're going to drop stuff down to that price, but I know for me, it was an instant cop and jump on. I know a couple of you guys grabbed it as well. So let me know what you think, as well as the price in general, right? You know, $900, their margins are already so crazy, so to have them come down a lot closer to cost makes sense, and it's an opportunity for some people to pick them up, where it's still a great sneaker. They don't need to be on the bleeding edge of fashion, and maybe you want to grab a pair under retail. So now is a good time. And like I said, if you want to watch that before you buy video, all the things that I said in there are still relevant to these sale styles. So T Blake signing out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Peace, guys.